Hi, welcome to your channel Mystere. Today I will tell you 8 mysterious things about our Earth. If you want to learn WordPress, then I am mention my another channel link in description. Go and see full playlist WordPress tutorials. Today I reveal 8 mysterious fact about of Earth. So let's start this video.
Number 1 Mysterious fact about of Earth.
We're living in a big, fast-moving, really fast spacecraft. Even when you're resting on your armchair, you're flying through space faster than the fastest human-made object ever built, around 1.3 million miles per hour, 2.1 million kilometers per hour.
Number 2 Mysterious fact about of Earth.
The first photo of Earth from space has been taken on 1946, long before the Soviet-made Sputnik truly began the space age in 1957. On October 24, 1946, the first photo of Earth from space has been taken. The scientists launched a Nazi-built V-2 rocket number 13 from the White Sands Missile Range, a United States Army rocket range in southern New Mexico. There was a camera aboard the rocket, and when the rocket reached 105 kilometers, 65 miles, the black and white photo was a camera aboard the rocket, and when the rocket reached 105 kilometers, 65 miles, the black and white photo was taken. The rocket was one of the V-2 rockets captured and moved to the US at the end of World War II.
Number 3 Mysterious fact about of Earth.
The farthest photo of Earth. The farthest spacecraft from Earth, Voyager 1, took a photo of planet Earth in 1990, from a record distance of about 6 billion kilometers, 3.7 billion miles, 40 from Earth. The photo is known as the pale blue dot. In the photograph below, Earth is shown as a fraction of a pixel, 0.12 pixel in size, against the vastness of space. Consider again that dot Earth. That's here, that's home, that's us. On it everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being. The aggregate of our joy and suffering, thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization, every king and peasant, every young couple in. Number 4. Earth is the densest planet in our solar system. If you're looking for the densest planet in our solar system, you don't have to look far. Earth is the densest planet in our solar system. It has a density of 5.51 grams per cc. This is only the average density of the planet. The core is much denser than the oceans, for example. Number 5. Earth's rotation on its axis doesn't take 24 hours. It actually takes approximately 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds. This rotation is in respect to the distant, fixed stars, and is called sidereal day. A sidereal day is the length of time it takes a planet to rotate from the perspective of a distant star. Despite a sidereal day seeming pretty clear, it's not what our calendars and clocks are based on. Because there is a nearer star whose position relative to us has a bigger effect on our lives, the sun. So, in practice, we measure a day from noon to noon, from when the sun crosses a meridian to when the sun crosses the same meridian again. This is called solar day. The Earth spins around its axis counterclockwise. It also moves around the sun counterclockwise. After a sidereal day, the Earth moves a bit along its orbit, so some more rotation is required for the same meridian to point back towards the sun. That's why a solar day, the longer definition of one rotation, what the modern calendar and clock are based on, is 24-hour. Earth facts: the stellar day or sidereal day is shorter than the solar day. At time 1, the sun and a certain distant star are both overheads. Time 2, the planet has rotated 360 degrees and the distant star is overhead again, but the sun is not. From 1 to equals 1 stellar day. It is not until a little later, at time 3, that the sun is overhead again. From 1 to 3 equals 1 solar day. Number 6. Earth is not a perfect sphere. Because of its rotation, the shape of Earth is an oblate spheroid, a sphere that is slightly squashed at its poles and slightly swollen at the equator. Despite it is not a perfect sphere, the Earth still definitely does not look like this. Number 7. ISS is the most expensive object ever constructed. The International Space Station (ISS) is the most expensive object ever constructed. In 2010 the cost was expected to be $150 billion. Earth facts: the International Space Station (ISS) is a space station, or a habitable artificial. Number 8. You wouldn't explode in space without a spacesuit. Delivered by any means will sustain life for more than a few minutes. Also, you won't freeze immediately in space, as in the Hollywood movies, despite its average temperature being so low, 3K, or minus 270 degrees Celsius, minus 454 degrees Fahrenheit. Because there's no matter in the space, so the heat does not leave the body quickly enough. You only lose heat via thermal radiation. Of course, you will get colder and eventually freeze, but very, very slowly. Interesting facts about Earth: you won't explode in space without a spacesuit. You won't explode in space without a spacesuit. There's also a thing called Armstrong limit, often called Armstrong's line. It is the altitude that produces an atmospheric pressure so low that water boils at the normal temperature of the human body, 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The Armstrong line begins at an altitude of the normal temperature of the human body, 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The Armstrong line begins at an altitude of approximately 18 kilometers, 60,000 feet, to about 19 kilometers, 62,000 feet. It would be better to wear a spacesuit above that altitude, for your own safety. You're at or above the Armstrong limit. Exposed bodily liquids such as saliva, tears, urine, blood, and the liquids wetting the alveoli within the lungs, but not vascular blood within the circulatory system, as explained before, will boil away. Delivered by any means will sustain life for more than a few minutes. If you want to earn money from online, I have mentioned in description some genuine website. Go on that site. These website will gives you best opportunity for make money online, and you can earn massive income from this website. If you like this types of videos, so please subscribe, like and share this video. I have shared some links in description which is very useful for you. Check it out. Thanks for watching this video.